Hey guys, wanna know how to pan in your audio in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, launch Audacity and import any tracks that you'd like. Now for me, I have this track right here. Double click to select the entire track. Now read towards tracks on this top menu right here. Then click on it, navigate and hover towards pan. Now here, you can see various options right here, left, right, center. What panning does is makes your audio more hearable to anything that you select. Now let's say I select right. Now as you can see in the slider, right side has been selected. Now this makes your audio more hearable to the right side. Right, but instead of just going to tracks, instead of doing all that, you can just simply slide in the slider. Now since my panning is on the right side, I can simply just slide it to the left, and it also shows percentage. So it's as easy as that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.